In 1903, Henry Ford organized a small Detroit startup around a simple idea: build a car ordinary people could afford and maintain. The breakthrough came with the 1908 Model T, rugged, standardized, and cheap to service. Then the 1913 moving assembly line and the $5 a day wage, 1914, slashed costs and turnover, sending millions of Tin Lizzies onto dirt roads that quickly demanded paved ones. After 15+ million Model Ts, the 1927 Model A refreshed the brand. In 1932, Ford mass-marketed the flathead V8, putting real power in reach of working families. During World War II, Ford turned factories like Willow Run into the arsenal of democracy, building B-24 bombers and trucks at industrial scale. Peace brought new icons. The 1948 F-Series launched what became America's best-selling trucks. The 1955 Thunderbird mixed style and speed. And in spring 1964, the Mustang invented the pony car, pairing performance with a starter price that lit up youth culture. Henry Ford II modernized management. And on the world stage, Ford set its sights on endurance racing. The GT40 beat Ferrari at Le Mans 4 straight years, 1966 to 1969. A corporate moonshot that rewrote motorsport expectations. The 1970s forced reinvention amid fuel shocks, emissions rules, and the Pinto controversy. By 1986, the aerodynamic front-drive Taurus reset Ford's quality and design direction, and the 1991 Explorer helped tip Americans from sedans to SUVs. Global bets rose and fell. Acquisitions like Jaguar, Land Rover, Aston Martin, and Volvo were later sold as Ford refocused on the core Ford and Lincoln brands. While European mainstays, Fiesta, Focus, Transit, proved the company could build to regional tastes. In racing and reputation, blue oval nameplates stayed visible in NASCAR, and rallying as Mustang performance programs kept the halo bright. And a reborn Ford GT later returned to win its Le Mans class in 2016. The 2000s brought a near crisis. Under CEO Alan Mulally, One Ford unified global engineering, mortgaged the blue oval in 2006 to fund a turnaround, and, critically, kept Ford out of bankruptcy during the 2008 to 2009 collapse. Trucks led the recovery. EcoBoost downsized engines without giving up torque, and the 2015 aluminum body F-150 cut weight to improve payload and efficiency. The 2010s and early 2020s shifted the lineup toward profitable trucks and utilities. Bronco returned, Transit dominated work fleets, and added software and driver assist tech like Sync and BlueCruise. Today, under Executive Chair Bill Ford and CEO Jim Farley, the company runs a two-track strategy. Ford Blue sharpens conventional and hybrid vehicles, F-150, Super Duty, Mustang, Bronco, Explorer, plus the Ford Pro commercial ecosystem, while Model E pushes electrification with the Mustang Mach-E and F-150 Lightning, over-the-air updates, battery partnerships, and vertically integrated services. Through 120 years, the through line is the same. Take breakthrough manufacturing, aim it at the broad middle of the market, and use motorsport, design, and engineering to pull the brand forward. From the Model T to an electric pickup getting firmware over the air, Ford's story is the rise of mass mobility. How industrial scale, relentless cost work, and memorable nameplates turned a local workshop into a company that helped define how the modern world moves.